Welcome. Here is how you can verify phone numbers through Smart Column. App features. Verify if the entered phone number is valid. Activate the trigger to check phone number validation on your board. Example. Trigger the status column to verify if the entered phone number is valid. Alright, let's dive into the setup instructions. First, go to the phone number column, which is the only column where you can install this app. Next, click the three dots next to the phone column. Then, select Column Extension. After that, click Phone Number Verification. In the setting box that appears, you'll need to set up the triggers and columns. Now, select the status column to see the validation results. For example, phone number validation. Lastly, choose a method to trigger the validation when an item is created, an item is moved, a column is changed, or the status is changed. For our example setup, let's choose Column Changed as the trigger method. Then, select the phone number column change to activate the trigger. Click Save. And don't forget to refresh the page. Now, whenever you enter a value in the phone column, the trigger will be activated and validate the phone number. Get it now on Monday App Marketplace.